everybody. One of the common questions that we get a lot is how to get started gardening and growing your own food on a budget. So one of the things we always recommend is starting with one of these raised bed smart pots, which are fabric raised beds. They're fairly cheap. This one right here, big bag bed, junior, is $24.99. Was that right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just had to double check with the videographer. So this one's $24.99 in our store. So for this, you get all of this space right here, and then it'll take, a bag or two of soil to fill it up. We make all of our own soil though, but you can also just buy soil too. And in here, we just have a mixture of a bunch of different greens. So we have several different types of lettuce, and then some kale, and then also some mustard greens as well. If you haven't tried mustard greens before, you definitely should. If you like mustard, really good on hamburgers. We actually have a video where we planted this this junior bed not too long ago, probably about a month or two ago, and so now you can see how fast greens really do grow. And we come out here and harvest from it all the time, and I mean, with how dense we planted it, we can harvest quite frequently from when they are young and just keep pulling for our meals. And then, I mean, you hardly notice that there's any missing. And then once they start to get a little too overflowed, or we aren't using them fast enough, I just come over here and feed our little bunnies that are right next to me, give them some extra treats. So it works out great for both of us, right?
Yeah.
And if you're interested in buying any of these smart pots, we have them for sale in our app, as well as seedtospoon.net. So check them out.